India has become the fourth largest economy. India has surpassed Japan to become the fourth largest economy. This milestone is confirmed by Niti Aayog and IMF data. India's rise in the global economic hierarchy is remarkable. Niti Aayog CEO BVR Subramaniam announced that India is now a USD 4 trillion economy. This places India ahead of Japan. The International Monetary Fund's World Economic Outlook supports this, projecting India's GDP at USD 4.19 trillion in 2025. This achievement marks a significant shift in global economic power. India was the fifth largest economy until 2024. Now it stands as the fourth largest, showcasing its rapid growth. India's ambitions don't stop here. The country aims to become the third largest economy in the next 2.5 to 3 years. Subramaniam emphasized the importance of sticking to strategic plans. This goal reflects India's determination to climb higher on the global stage. India's per capita income has seen significant growth. It has doubled from USD 1,438 in 2013-14 to USD 2,880 in 2025. This improvement highlights better living standards for its citizens. India's long-term vision is ambitious. The Viksit Bharat at 2047 plan aims for a USD 30 trillion economy by 2047. This would make India a high-income country. The plan envisions a developed nation with a per capita income comparable to today's high-income countries. This vision is a testament to India's commitment to sustained economic development. The Viksit Bharat at 2047 plan is underpinned by a strategic framework. It is based on 6 key building blocks. These include macroeconomic goals and strategy, empowered citizens, and a thriving and sustainable economy. Technology and innovation leadership, global leadership, and enabling factors like governance and security are also crucial. The framework covers 26 themes across these building blocks. Successful implementation is key to achieving the plan's ambitious goals. The current global landscape is favorable for India's growth. Subramaniam noted the positive geopolitical and economic environment. This environment supports India's economic aspirations. The IMF projects India's growth at 6.2% for 2025-26. This is slightly slower than earlier estimates due to global trade tensions. Despite this, India's growth remains robust. Global uncertainty poses challenges, but India's economic trajectory is promising. India's rise to the fourth largest economy is a significant milestone. It underscores India's growing influence on the global stage. The Viksit Bharat at 2047 plan highlights the government's commitment to economic development. While the geopolitical environment is favorable, global trade tensions need monitoring. The strategic framework provides a roadmap for achieving India's goals. Successful implementation across the building blocks will be crucial. India's journey towards becoming a high-income nation is well underway.